In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in Shopify, a straightforward process that can help customize your online store and enhance your brand's identity. If you're looking to personalize and polish the appearance of your Shopify website, updating your logo is a simple yet impactful way to do so. So, let's dive straight into how you can change that logo efficiently. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, you'll need to find your online store section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to your site's appearance. You're going to be looking for the Themes option under this heading, which houses all the customization tools you need. Once you click into Themes, you'll see a button to access your theme settings. It's where you control the aesthetics of your site. Within theme settings, you'll be able to make modifications that align with your brand's visual identity. Now, your next step is to scroll through the theme settings until you find the logo option. It's one of the most crucial features for establishing brand recognition on your website. Clicking on Logo will allow you to directly modify that specific element. It's an intuitive process designed to make sure you don't get tangled up in unnecessary complexity. You'll want to click the button labeled Change Logo. This will open up your File Explorer, giving you the opportunity to select the new logo you want to represent your brand. It's essential to have your new logo file ready and saved on your device. Be mindful of the file type and size restrictions. Typically, a PNG format with a transparent background works well, and keeping the size moderate ensures fast loading times for your visitors. Once you've selected the appropriate file from your saved documents, click to confirm your choice through the interface. Finally, to wrap things up, make sure you hit Save after selecting your desired logo. Saving is a critical step. It ensures that your changes are successfully applied to your store. You wouldn't want to go through all these steps only to find that your work wasn't kept. This simple action finalizes the updates you've made, instantly reflecting them on your online platform. Having a logo that represents your brand effectively can make a significant difference. It helps build brand recognition and trust among your customers. So, whether you're rolling out a rebrand or simply updating your design, changing your logo can serve as a meaningful improvement to your Shopify store's aesthetics. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a stronger, more cohesive brand presence online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips and tricks.